Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody. Here is exercise 70, where we're gonna explain again about how to calculate the coordinates of 2 points from intersection points from 2 lines. And here they gave you already a quadratic formula, y is x squared minus 3x, and a linear formula, the green line, y is 2x minus 4. And they will intersect in point A and B. And the question with A is to calculate the coordinates from A and B. And here you need to know which steps you need to do. So the first step is, of course, to find the equation. Now, you're gonna look at the red line and the green one. So the equation with A is x squared minus 3x is equal with 2x minus 4. Yeah, so you want to know on which point are the two lines equal. Yeah, so that's an equation. Okay, we're gonna solve it. So we need to create on the right side is equal with 0. So subtract both sides with minus 2x. You get x squared minus 5x. And add on both sides with 4. So plus 4 is equal with 0. Now, to find the product sum method, x minus 4 and x minus 1, because if I multiply minus 4 and minus 1 you get 4, and if I add them you get minus 5 is equal with 0. So x minus 4 needs to be 0, or x minus 1 is equal with 0, so x is 4. Or x is 1. Okay, so here we already have the x coordinates from the 2 points. How to find the y coordinates to fill in one of the two one of the two formulas. I choose for the linear one. Y is 2x minus 4. I will substitute for x 4. Then you get y is 2 times 4 minus 4, which means it's 8 minus 4. So the answer is y is 4. So here is the y coordinate. So we already know a point. Let's recalculate the other one. I choose again for the linear one. Y is 2x minus 4. I fill in 1. 2 times 1 minus 4 is equal with 2 minus 4. So y is minus 2. Alright. So here we have the coordinate 1, minus 2, and there we have the coordinate 4, 4. Now to choose which point, which one it is, we're gonna look at the sketch. So it needs to be, this one is A, and this one is B. Alright, then we're gonna look at exercise B. They ask you to calculate the horizontal line, the distance, a length from C to D, and the quadratic formula y is x squared minus 3x will intersect the blue line at the height of 10. And you can also say that the formula from the blue line is y is equal with 10. Alright, so the equation, what needs to be done with B, is x squared minus 3x is equal with 10. So I want to know for when is the point for which x is the answer 10. Alright, we do exactly the same with A. We're gonna subtract both sides with 10. Then you get minus 3x minus 10 is equal with 0. We need to find a multiplication. Minus 5 and plus 2 is equal with 0. So x minus 5 is 0, or x plus 2 is 0. So x is 5, or x is minus 2. Alright, those are the x coordinates. Now to know what the y coordinates, you can fill in for x 5 and for the x minus 2, but if you look at our sketch, we already know that the y coordinate is at the point of 10. So we do not need to calculate it anymore. We already know that C has a coordinate of -2, 10, and that D has a coordinate from 5, 10. But they didn't ask you the coordinates of point C and D. They only want to know what is the distance from C to D. Now, well, the difference between -2 and 5 is 2 plus 5. Oh, 2 plus 5, which is 7. They didn't give you any units, so 7 is the answer. And that was exercise 70B.